Hey, what's up guys? If you want to know how to fix a bad green screen in post, there's bad shadows and stuff, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Tyler Kidd. I am a filmmaker, YouTuber, musician. I have my own video production company, so I want to pass along any tips that I can to you guys if I can. So that's the goal with today's video. I get a lot of questions, or I have a lot of problems with bad green screens, so that's what I want to help you guys with today. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So a little disclaimer with the footage I'm about to show you and edit with, it's a client's piece of footage, so that's why I want to use it, but I don't want to show their faces, so I'm blocking out their faces so it might look a little weird. That's why. Alright, I'm ready. Hope you guys are ready. Let's jump into Premiere Pro. Alright guys, so here we are. We're in Premiere Pro. We got our green screen clip. And as you can see, the green screen has some bad shadows. It wasn't evenly lit and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna show you what the normal green screen would do, removing it. So we're just gonna put the Ultra key effect and then click a spot on the screen. And as you can see, we still have like some shadows and stuff in there, and it doesn't look so good. Like if we put a background on there, you can still see everything. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna delete that real quick, and then we're gonna go into our lumetri color. We're gonna apply that, and then we're gonna go, you can go to your color tab if you want. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the HSL secondary tab, and then we're gonna pick this eyedropper tool and then choose our green. So we're just gonna expand this a little bit and then show which area we're doing, and then we can select all that green area. We just wanna expand this as much as we can.
Maybe there lives happy little bush right along here.
But we also want to make sure that we don't go into our subject, so that's why like that's gray right there. So that looks good, and then I usually bump this up just a hair. And then so this is really the point of this tutorial, is just showing you how to separate the background and make it more of like an actual like green screen. So all we're gonna do is pull this all the way over to the green side. You can see it's already looking a little more green screeny. Bring that to the green. And then this is where it really starts to take effect. So we're gonna bring the contrast all the way down. So that takes our shadows and stuff out. We're gonna take the sharpen amount all the way down so it softens it a lot more. And then we're also gonna bring our saturation up. So as you can see from before and after, we have a lot less shadows and it's a lot more green. So in some cases it doesn't work the best. You might have to finagle it a little bit to make it work best for your scene, but this is what I do to fix those bad green screens. And the point is you're taking out the contrast and you're softening that just the green part, so it makes it a little bit easier to key out. So I'll show you if we go back into our editing tab and look up our Ultra key effect again, and then we apply that to our scene, and we'll click like a darker section, and then go into our cleanup, and then I usually take the highlights all the way down, and then I don't take that lower than 40. So I mean, this green screen is awful. You know, you can only do so much, but that is a lot better than what it was before. I'll turn off the HSL, and then you can see that's what it was before, and then that's what it was after. So I just want this to be a quick tutorial. I could dive into more stuff, but I hope you got the basics from what I just showed you. Alright guys, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this helped you. I hope you can tackle green screens a little bit better now, or maybe that gives you a little bit better idea of what you're working with. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm hopefully gonna be posting more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. You rock. Have a great day.